Hello everyone, my name is Kowsar Rahman and I am one of the group members of the team Conscious Robots 102. So I'll be delivering my presentation about the work that I've done and the app project that I've used for this Pacman Capture the Flag assignment. Coming to the approach part. So for the preliminary submission, our team worked mostly on the heuristic algorithm implementing the A star search. And for the final submission, our team worked on the PDDL, which is also known as classical planning, mixed with heuristic algorithm for the defensive part. While working on this assignment, my work was basically on the preliminary submission. I worked on the heuristic algorithm, focusing more on the offensive side. And in the final submission, I gave my hand for the PDDL classical planning algorithm. As I mostly worked on writing about the PDDL classical algorithm on the GitHub wiki, I'll be trying to share some of the trade-offs that I have discovered while working on this algorithm. First of all, talking about the advantages. This algorithm, compared to other existing algorithms, it is fairly easier to implement. The main task is involving like formulating a game in the domain for both the offensive and the defensive agents. And also coming to the another advantage is that it saves a lot of time in coding as it has the ability to find the optimal path. These are some of the key points that I have taken from my wiki report. You'll find more detailed on the wiki when you read it. Coming to the disadvantages, one of the major drawbacks of this algorithm is that it creates the offensive agent to being cornered. That is also one of a very big problem. And the next problem is that while planning, it cannot look ahead, which we think is yet again another major drawback. So these are the two drawbacks which I have seen while implementing this algorithm along with my team members. And coming to the improvements, which I think is this improvement, particular improvement, which is like adding more predicates to ensure that it can subsume future coming states. Now I'm going to show you a demo. So you can see in the demo, which is being played, the red team is the baseline team and the blue team is the one that is implementing the heuristic algorithm. And the result is very obvious. The blue team beating the red team quite easily in a very easy fashion. And as you can see in the scoreboard is getting reflected. For the sake of time, I'm not playing the whole video, so just keep in mind. So that was the demo of our preliminary submission. And moving on, we did some testing to see how our heuristic algorithm works with our baseline. So we played like 5 games. And as you can see from the testing results, out of 5 games, 4 games were won by the heuristic team and only 1 game was won by the baseline team. And if you can see the points, the first game, the red team wins by 8 points, which is the heuristic team. Second game, the red team wins by 9 points. The third game, the red team wins by even by a bigger margin, 12 points, and then again wins by 8 points. So thank you for watching my presentation. I hope I was being able to deliver what work I have done throughout the assignment. And yeah, once again, thank you for bearing with me. Have a nice day.